What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to use multiple photos on your iPhone lock screen. Having multiple photos on your lock screen is a great way to keep your phone visually interesting and personalized. Instead of being stuck with just one static image, you can set up a rotating selection of your favorite photos. To get started, swipe down from your home screen to bring up the notification and control center. Once you've done that, find an empty space on the screen and tap and hold. This will open up the Wallpaper menu, where you can adjust or add new wallpapers. The iPhone's interface will bring up a preview of your current lock screen and allow you to make changes. In the lower right corner of the screen, you'll notice a plus icon. Tap on that to start creating a new lock screen wallpaper. When the Add New Wallpaper pop-up appears, you'll see various wallpaper options to choose from. For our purpose, tap on the Photo Shuffle option. This is the feature that lets you use multiple photos as a rotating set on your lock screen. Once you tap on Photo Shuffle, you'll be given two choices. You can either choose photos manually or choose album. Let me explain both options. If you select Choose Photos manually, you'll be able to scroll through your photo gallery and pick out specific images that you want to include in your lock screen rotation. This option is perfect if you already have a selection of specific photos in mind. On the other hand, if you select Choose Album, the process is even simpler. You can directly choose an entire photo album from your Photos app. This is ideal if you've already grouped your photos into albums, like a vacations album or a pets album. Your iPhone will automatically shuffle through the images within that selected album, so you don't have to manually pick one by one. Once you've selected your photos or album, the next step is previewing your lock screen shuffle. To do this, simply tap on a screen, and the iPhone will display a preview of your selected photos. You can swipe through them to see how each image looks on your lock screen. Next, you have the option to customize how often the photos change. In the lower right corner, you see three dots. Tap on those, and you'll see the Shuffle Frequency options. This feature allows you to decide when your lock screen wallpaper should change to the next photo. You can choose from four options. Daily, your lock screen photo will change once a day. Hourly, the photo will update every hour. On lock, each time you lock or unlock your phone, a new photo will appear. On tap, this option lets you manually change the wallpaper by tapping the lock screen. Choose the option that best suits your preference. Once you're satisfied with your choices, simply tap Add in the upper right corner. Your new multiple photo lock screen will be set up, and you can start enjoying a rotating collection of wallpapers. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.